Hey everyone, today we are looking at this professional grip strength tester with a high weight capacity. This device provides highly accurate results in small increments for precise tracking of your forearm strength progress. You also get 3 grip rings and 3 finger exercisers to target every single muscle in your hands. The unique design offers 2 different strength levels simply by adjusting the direction of the silicone strengthener. It is perfect for rock climbers or anyone recovering from wrist injuries and common conditions like painful arthritis. The safe silicone material is very durable and comfortable for frequent use during your daily hand training sessions. These tools are fully washable and reusable for long-term hand health, rehabilitation, and effective daily decompression. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.